Hello everyone, welcome to Phonics, where we learn our letter sounds for the alphabet so that we can be not only great readers, but champion spellers. Are you ready? Have you got your listening ears turned on? Now remember, I'm going to say the sounds and the actions first. I'm going to say it's my turn, but then I'm going to say your turn, and I want to hear loud voices doing the sounds, watching how your mouth pronounces your sounds and your beautiful actions. I can't wait to see you in action. Remember, give it a go and practice, practice. Are you ready? Here we go. My turn. S. Your turn. S. My turn. A, A, A. Your turn. A, A, A. My turn. T. Your turn. T. Turn. P. Your turn. P. My turn. I. Your turn. I. My turn. Your turn. My turn. K. S. Your turn. K. S. My turn. K. The talk. Your turn. K. The talk. My turn. E. Your turn. E. My turn. Your turn. My turn. R. Your turn. R. My turn. Your turn. My turn. D. Your turn. D. My turn. G. J. Your turn. G. J. My turn. O. O. U. Your turn. O. O. U. My turn. You. Your turn. You. My turn. Your turn. My turn. Let's go fishing. Your turn. My turn. B. Your turn. B. My turn. A. Your turn. A. My turn. J. Your turn. J. My turn. O. Your turn. O. My turn. I. Your turn. I. My turn. E. The double E. Your turn. E. The double E. My turn. Or. Your turn. Or. My turn. Z. Your turn. Z. My turn. W. Your turn. W. My turn. N. Your turn. N. My turn. N. Your turn. N. My turn. O. U. Your turn. O. U. My turn. Y. I, E. Your turn. Y, I, E. My turn. X. Your turn. X. My turn. Ch, k, sh. Your turn. Ch, k, sh. My turn. Shh. Your turn. Shh. Did you tell the teacher to shh? My turn. Th, th. Your turn. Th, th. My turn. Qu for queen. Your turn. Qu for queen. My turn. Ow. O. Your turn. Ow. O. My turn. Oi. Your turn. Oi. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. Ooh. My turn. I say you say My turn. Ah. Your turn. Ah. Well done, everyone. We've come to our end of our sounds for this time. Keep practicing, and then we'll be able to join all those sounds together to make really good words when we're reading and spelling. Well done. See you next time.